Jade has been my business development coach since October 2021. She patiently guided me through the 6 pillars and back. As of today, by applying these pillars, I've been able to achieve the following: identify and engage with what distracts me, which is the fear of the unknown. I have now been able to overcome this fear with zeal and determination to carry on and make progress with my tasks on a daily basis. She challenged me to allocate time on a daily basis to develop my business. The smaller tasks were executed adds up to my overall transformation and what I need to develop my business. I've completed my why, vision, and mission. I have the clarity I need to make progress in my business. I am now very motivated and confident that my business will be successful. I have clearly identified my target audience. I am confident with regards to the value I will bring to my customers as I deliver and create more products. We worked on practical aspects of the business, including claiming my domain name, hiring a website developer, creating an engaging logo and tagline, opening my social media account and business pages. We are currently working on how to further refine my messages, engage with my customers, and apply industry knowledge relevant to my business to further build my brand and develop my business. I have been coached to use industry knowledge as a guideline to the further development of my business. Industry knowledge also allows me to make short, medium, and long-term plans for the business. Overall, I am very, very happy for the handheld guidance that Jadi is giving me. It serves to boost my confidence, keep me motivated, and also have a level of accountability to get things done. And I know where I'm going with my business, and nothing, absolutely nothing can stop me.